Hi, today I'm going to talk with my classmates about planning a trip. We are excited because we want to travel together and enjoy new experience in Leticia. Let me tell you what we prefer to do, what interests us, and what we wish to do before the trip. First step, we can pack our bags today and check the weather forecast. We have to buy the tickets online before Friday. Can I call the hotel to ask about the room? You must bring your ID and passport in Colombian cedula. You should forget your charger or headphones. Second step. First, we can look for hotels and transportation options. We must check the price and availability. We should prepare a list of things to pack. Finally, my advice is don't leave everything for the last minute. Third step, you can help me with the itinerary. You have to confirm the reservation. Should I bring snacks for the trip? We might need extra money for emergencies. Let's make a checklist together. Fourth step, I can pack my clothes today. You should bring your shoes and sunscreen. May I call the hotel to ask about the room? We must be ready by Saturday morning.